Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to know if someone blocked your phone number on your iPhone. Now, if somebody is not responding to your text messages or your calls, but you're not sure if you are blocked by that person, or maybe they're just not available and on their phone, I'll show you how to definitely find that out. Let's first just open up the phone app on your iPhone. And I'm chatting with my wife, Haley, here. And you can see I've asked her to block me and then she's unblocked me. So I'm currently not blocked. If I send hi, you can see right under hi, it says delivered. And on here, it looks just like a normal text message. I'm going to go through the process of blocking myself. So I have my wife's computer here. I'm going to just block myself real quick. And now, after I've blocked myself, the first thing that you will notice when I blocked myself from her before, it says they stopped sharing their location with you. So if they previously were sharing their location and then it says they stopped, that's a good indication that they blocked you. Now, let me send another text message to them and let's see if it looks any different. You can see from my perspective, it looks the exact same. It says hi, and then it says delivered. Now, if that person has read receipts turned on and they do read your text message, it will never switch over to read. So let me turn read receipts on. And even if I read my text message here, it won't say that it's read here. So if it previously switched from delivered to read and it never does, that's one indication that they blocked you. Now let's hop out of here and open up the phone app on your iPhone. Let's tap on that person that you think might have blocked you. And if I turn this onto speaker,
Hi, you've reached the voicemail of Haley.
you can see that it rung once and then immediately went to voicemail. It doesn't go through the entire process of ringing. That's another indication that you are blocked, is that it immediately rings once and then goes to voicemail. Let's go through a third step that you can potentially tell by tapping on the little I next to the person. And I'm going to tap on the FaceTime video call. If I start to do a FaceTime video call with this person, you'll be able to see it will start to ring. And let's see if it works any differently. On my wife's computer, it doesn't ring at all because I'm blocked. However, you'll be able to see it just rings normally. There's no indication on here that I am blocked beyond that person never actually picks up. So there are some telltale signs that you are blocked, but unfortunately, the iPhone and Apple doesn't give you any clear indication. The only really clear indication is if they were constantly reaching back to you and responding to your phone calls or text messages, and then they stopped. However, they could be on a flight or driving or just not around their phone. So if you wait a full 24 hours and they're still not getting back to you, most likely you have been blocked. Of course, you can always try to hop into Instagram or Messenger or WhatsApp and try to message them in there as well and see if they do respond. Of course, if they don't respond on that other platform as well, most likely they have blocked you and unfortunately just don't want to chat. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. Thanks, guys.